insane. You should try it. Go Black Cleaver and Bork. He's fucked. He's so good. He's so good. Watch your video if you don't know how to fight hands. Oh, thank you, my friend. Spirit Shojin must? Yeah, I'd say like, especially if you just need your abilities all the time, which is most games. Unless you're super ahead. I think Black Cleaver is one of the best items you can start on Pantheon. Because you're still just strong enough to just chunk people with your Q, bro. Imagine I just get demoted straight out again. That would be funny. That would be hilarious. Yeah, I'm a big Shojin guy. Oh no, we're good. Would you look at that? We're fine. Okay, I'm gonna see if people are keen for customs. And yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what. I'm not sure. I don't think we'll have enough people. I think it requires a bit of pre-planning. We'll see. We have 2. What's up, bro? Oh yeah, I need to change that. I need to change it. 4? We have 4 people. Okay, maybe we have a lot. Maybe we have a lot. Fine. Blanik, welcome to the club, my brother. Stay work, my brother. Okay. Serenity, my brother, what's going on? It has been forever. How are you? How are you, bro? Bam, 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 bam. It has actually been forever, bro. Danny does watch. What sort of customs are we doing? Oh, I don't know. Holy, you've been grinding. Yeah. Honestly, I've just been winning as Pantheon. He's just too good. Do you guys want to play like fucking arena or something? Congrats on the gold. Thanks, bro. We'll go higher. Gray just got off games playing some spicy questions, couples trivia. 안녕하세요. Arena. Okay, let's play arena then.